BMW SLIMLINE Operator Chair User Guide. Welcome to the SLIMLINE world. The following user guide will show you how to adjust your chair in order to achieve maximum comfort. We will start off by introducing the features of the chair and how to adjust these in order to obtain the optimum benefit from these features. Once the demonstration is complete, we will combine the features with your workstation setup. Back height adjustment, standing behind chair. The backrest has 8 separate adjustment positions. Stand behind the chair and lift the backrest up to its highest point. Push backrest down to its lowest setting until it clicks into position. From the lowest setting point, slowly pull the backrest up until a suitable position is attained. Backrest should fit snugly into the curve of the lower back. Back height adjustment, sitting on chair. Sit on the chair and lift the backrest up to its highest point. Pull the backrest down until it clicks into position. Slowly raise the backrest until a suitable position is attained. Backrest should support the lower lumbar area of the back. The backrest can be adjusted multiple times until a desired position is found. Lift the backrest to the highest point to readjust the settings. This will cause the backrest to drop down. Please note that a clicking sound notes the different heights. 3D adjustable armrest. 1. Height adjustment. To raise the height of the armchair, push button in and lift armrest up. To lower armrest, push button in and push down on armrest. Arm pad depth adjustment. To decrease depth of arm pad, push armrest backwards. To adjust depth of arm pad, push armrest forward. Arm pad horizontal adjustment. Push arm cappings inward or outward in order to achieve the desired position. Mechanism features and adjustment thereof. Seat depth adjustment. When seated on the chair, press down on inner right hand lever. Place left hand on backrest and shift body weight forwards until a comfortable position with the correct support is attained. To decrease seat depth, press down on inner right hand lever, slide seat backwards or remove weight from seat. The seat will automatically return to its minimum position. Seat height adjustment. To adjust the height of the chair, remove weight from the seat and pull on the middle right hand lever. To lower the height of the chair, remain seated and pull up on the middle right hand lever. Backrest tension adjustment. The backrest tension hand wheel can be adjusted to user body weight. When seated, pull out hand wheel on right hand side. Turn clockwise to increase the tension on the backrest or anti-clockwise to decrease the tension on the backrest. Backrest locking adjustment. When seated on the chair, pull up on lever on left-hand side of chair to unlock the backrest. To lock the backrest, lean back on the backrest until the desired position is found. Push lever down to lock the backrest into position. The backrest can be locked in 5 positions. To unlock the backrest from a reclined position, pull lever upwards and apply pressure to the backrest to disengage the safety feature that prevents the user from being thrown forward. The backrest can be locked or kept in a free float position. Workstation setup in conjunction with the SLIMLINE Operator chair. Let's take the chair's features and put them in an actual workstation environment. As an operator, you need to sit in a comfortable position with your back fully supported. This is done by adjusting your seat height so that your feet are flat on the floor with your knees slightly below level of the hips. The angles between the thigh and torso should be a little bit more than 90 degrees. If your feet are not flat on the floor, a footrest can be used to obtain the desired foot level. Take note of the following when seated at your desk. A. Height of your desk. Are your forearms and wrists supported at the desired chair height? B. Height and distance of your monitor. In an upright seated position, you should be an approximate arm length from your monitor and your eyes should focus about 2/3 up from bottom of the monitor. C. Keyboard. D. Mouse position. E. Telephone position. Position the keyboard directly in front of you. Make sure the keys are centered with your body. Telephone position should be opposite to the mouse position. Position the mouse so that it is within easy reach next to the keyboard. To get maximum benefit from your chair, you need to push your pelvis as far back into the chair as possible in order to support the back fully. There are two scenarios. The first scenario is where the operator uses the desk as support for the elbows and forearms to get close to the keyboard, mouse or phone. In this case, adjust the armrest to their lowest position and shift the arm cappings backward. This will allow you to move right up to the desk with the back still supported. In the second scenario, the keyboard is often placed on the edge of the desk. Move your keyboard, mouse and phone towards yourself. Once you've done this, you can now raise your armrests so that your forearms and elbows are resting on the arm pad with your wrists in line or slightly higher than your keyboard. If your arms are not in line, you will either need to raise or lower your chair accordingly. Thank you for taking the time to study this video. Should you have any further queries, please contact your Move champion.